Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. You confirm your Edge Cts3 license and version so features align. Once done, install the 1.2+ runtime. Next, connect the device over USB or Ethernet and enable developer mode to allow SSH and serial access. Make sure to back up the current configuration. Export API keys, ports, and any custom certificates. This prevents rollback issues and speeds recovery if an update fails. You continue by performing the core configuration and detailed execution. First, flash the firmware only if required and verify the checksum to prevent corrupt installs. Then configure the network with a static IP, DNS, and proxy settings so remote services remain reachable. Once networked, deploy initial containers or modules and run the built-in health checks. Make sure to validate logs for errors and adjust resource limits. If a module stalls, restart the service and review dependency timing. You finish by locking down final settings and validating operation before handoff. Finalize configuration by applying access controls and automated backups so changes are auditable and recoverable. Then run performance tests and tune CPU, memory, and storage quotas to match workload. This reduces throttling and unexpected restarts. Once stable, document endpoints, alerts, and maintenance windows. If things go wrong, the single most useful tip is to check the serial console for boot or kernel errors. Those messages often reveal the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.